these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Okay guys, so we are definitely going to use some Dollar Tree items, and I found these beautiful little gems, y'all. I'm going to use something similar. They didn't have just the plain crystal, but I do have 3 of them, but they were not enough. And we are also going to use these lotus flowers that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to use a few other items from Dollar Tree. So let's get into it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to use this lotus flower. We're going to use these old mirrors that I got from Dollar Tree. And we are going to use this bowl. Guys, we are going to make some simple DIYs today. So I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so these storage containers are definitely functional. So you can store your cotton balls or your Q-tips or anything of that nature in them. Guys, our storage containers turned out beautifully, and they double as a candle holder. So guys, this is so cute and so unique, so you can use them as decor and storage. How about that, guys? So let's move on to our next DIY. Okay guys, so I'm going to use these 2 trays, these candle holders, and I'm also going to use this drawer pull. Now, I didn't get these from Dollar Tree, but I just found it around the house. And I'm going to use these 2 stamp blocks. Guys, they sell stamp blocks, clear stamp blocks. I love these, and I love to work with them. So, guys, we are going to use these stamp blocks for the base of this tray. Okay guys, so look how it turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. You can store candy, perfume, whatever you want on there, guys. It looks great. I hope you got inspiration from this particular DIY. Let's move on to my last and favorite DIY of this video. So guys, we're going to use these picture frames. I got 8 of them, and they are the mirrored picture frames. They are so cute. We're going to use some crystal diamonds, but we're not going to use the ones from Dollar Tree because I did not have enough of the crystal colored ones, the clear ones. I had the other colors, but not those. But if y'all want to use these, y'all definitely can. I'm going to use ones that I got from Michael's like a long time ago. So I had these stored up, y'all. So I'm going to use these that I got from Michael's. So I'm also using some Elmer's clear glue to adhere the diamonds to the picture frames. Okay guys, so you can use hot glue here, but because I reuse my diamonds, I want to use clear glue so that I can just put hot water on it and it'll come loose. You know, you can just soak them in hot water to reuse the diamonds. Okay guys, so you can use the clear glue to go over the top of the diamonds to adhere better. Okay guys, so we did 8 of these and this is how they turn out. They're looking so pretty so far. So let's continue, guys. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our vase turned out. Guys, you know I am so not good with flowers or arrangement, so I just threw some flowers in there. But the vase, hey, you know what? I really do like it. I hope you all like it too. And if you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.